Today on the show, I'm going to be joined by not one but two beautiful and talented singers, Ramya Iyer and Arpita Mukherjee, who have collaborated with dynamic composers Tinu Arora and Siddharth Kashyap respectively for their singles. Today on the show, not only are they launching their singles, but we are also going to talk about their life and music. So without further ado, let's meet them and let's get the ball rolling. Ramya, welcome to the show.
Thank you.
And let me put it for all your fans there, it's not Ramya, it's Ramya.
That is true.
Right?
Yes.
And what does it mean?
It's a Sanskrit word that means beautiful.
Wow.
Yes.
And does that mean inner beauty as well or the outer beauty only?
It should be inner, na? That is how the outer works.
Oh, that is how the outer works. आप अंदर से सुंदर नहीं होंगे तो बाहर से कैसे दिखेंगे?
Absolutely.
First of all, congratulations for your latest single on artsloud.com.
Thank
Set
you.
Me Free, right?
Thank you, that is true.
And this single is also in association with Tinu Arora.
Absolutely.
It's been how long that you guys have been working with each other?
Quite a few years.
Yeah.
I worked for his first remix album called Kitna Pyara Wada.
Yeah.
We met then and I was supposed to sing one song. I ended up singing quite a few out of that.
Quite a few?
Yeah, on that
Yeah.
album. And we've known each other since then.
Since then?
Yeah, that was back in Delhi when I was in Delhi.
Yeah.
So once I came to Bombay, we started working on these singles.
Yeah. So you always wanted to be a singer?
Absolutely.
Yeah?
Yes.
And do you come from a musical background?
I could say that.
Yeah.
Everyone in the family does love music. My
Yeah.
grandma sings beautifully.
Yeah.
And I've always been exposed to all kinds of music. So yes, and I trained in music when I was in college and after
Yeah.
with the guru. So yes, in a way.
I must compliment the way you talk is also equally beautiful as your voice sounds in a song.
Just about as charming as you are.
ये पहली लड़की है जिसने मेरी कदर करी है ये हमने footage रखना है thank you you know I'm just trying to figure out as a child were you always like this poised charming composed or were you something different?
I have been told I was a hyperactive ball of energy.
Hyperactive ball.
And I made life hell for everybody.
Yes.
And I was always singing, always talking, and always dancing. Full entertainment at
Full
home.
entertainment dhamal.
Yes.
So you grew up in Delhi.
Yes.
Right?
Yes.
And your schooling.
Everything in Delhi.
Everything.
Everybody is in Delhi. Family, friends, everybody.
So when did professional music happen to you?
About 3 years back.
Okay.
So basically, it was in college when I joined Gandhar Mahavidyalaya to train in music. Initially, as a kid, I'd always danced, but I'd never trained in music. So once I started at Gandharv, I did about 4 years there, but then I wanted to learn music from someone who teach me one-to-one.
Right.
So then I found my guru after a lot of searching, Srimati Anshu Thaplayal. She's from the Rampur Sadarang Gharana, based out of Delhi.
Okay.
So I trained with her for quite a few years while I was working, saving money so I could come to Bombay and start off. So that happened about 3 years back. And at that time, I was still trying to figure out what kind of music I want to do. So I figured that I want to do my own stuff. I write and I compose.
Right.
And so I'm always looking for collaborations where I can team up with good producers and get music out there which is independent and
So-
self-composed.